needle clamp. So the old one is still attached in the sewing machine. I have to remove it, whatever it takes. The screw broke off inside of needle clamp there attached in the sewing machine. See how much broke and left inside? So this is all I use to remove that needle clamp. I used the hammer to remove the needle, but very carefully. But of course, didn't work. So second, I used this small saw for metal. So I was patiently using this saw. Patient. So I removed the handle of the saw and I used a pot holder to hold it.